Custom fields may be added to each of the forms listed here. Click on the pencil icon or the underlined form title to view existing custom fields. Click on Hardware Assets Custom Fields link. There are no existing custom fields on the Hardware Assets form. Click the Add New Field button to create a new custom field. The field name is the actual name of the field that will appear on the Hardware Asset form. There are 4 field types: text, text area, checkbox, and select. The text field is for short text entry, and the text area type is for longer text entry. Checkbox type allows multiple choices, and select type allows only one selection from a list. For this example, we are using checkbox. For a checkbox type, the options are presented as checkboxes. Each checkbox requires a label that will be entered into the Field Options field. The labels are entered with a comma separating each option. The active box is checked by default. That means this field will display on the form. If this field is being created for later use and you do not want it visible on the form yet, uncheck the box. When the field is active and data has been added to the field, it cannot be made inactive. By checking User Level Permission, the field becomes restricted to only those users who will be given permission to view or edit. If the box is left unchecked, the field will be considered a public and accessible to all users. Save the record. Once the field is saved, it will be listed with all the details. As long as the field is not in use, it may be deleted. Click on Manage Roles to designate which users will be able to use the new field. Click on the link Create New Role. Enter a name for the rule, then select what access you want users to have. You may want to create multiple roles to allow different accesses to the field. Click Save when done. Once the role is saved, click on Manage Companies and Users to assign access. A list of all the companies this user has access to will display. If the list is long, the search box can filter the list. Click on the plus sign next to company name to expand the list of users. Selecting the first option allows all existing and future users access. The second option, Allow Selected Users Only, requires the admin to select individual users to have access. If the second option is selected, the admin may choose All to include all users, but any future users must be added manually. If the user has selected a company through the Account Manager filter, their username will appear with Manager. Save the record when done. To view the new field, go to Editors, Hardware, and click on Add New Hardware Asset. The new field is displayed with each of the checkbox options that were created.